Welcome to day 49 of our Python Coding Challenge series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating problem, checking if the number m is between 50 and 100, or if its first digit is 7. Input. The input will be a single line containing an integer representing m. Output. The output should be a single line containing a Boolean. True should be printed if the number m is between 50 and 100, or if the first digit of m is equal to 7. Otherwise, false should be printed. Sample input and output are also be given for your reference. Join us as we tackle this challenge step by step and learn valuable coding techniques along the way. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.